Today I'm going to show you how to change the code on a lockbox that looks like this. I got this on Amazon, and it's one of the basic hanging lock boxes that holds a few keys inside of it. This is my current code, 3273. It's on a rental, and I like to change these periodically just for security purposes. So they're very simple to change the code on, so I'll walk you through that right now. So the first step is, of course, put the code in. If this is brand new, it's likely going to be code 0000. In my case, it's a used lock, so this is the code. I'm going to pull this little lever down to open the box. And if you look on the inside, you're going to see a reset section, and it says position A and position B. So what you're going to do is take this little metal lever and press it in so that it's in position B. At that point, you are able to change the combination to a new code. So in this case, for the example, I'm just going to put it to 0123. So when you look, I'm in position B. I've put my new code in. I'm now going to change it back to position A. The code has now been reset. So if I change it to anything other than that code, it will not open. But if I change it back, it now will open on that new code. Important things to keep in mind: the previous code no longer works, and this is now the only code that will open this.